Hi ladies, welcome back to another video. So I'm really excited because as you can see, I got some DIY extension lashes from Amazon. Ooh, this is how they look. Yeah, it comes with a bond and seal, which is this one, and then this one is a remover for cluster lashes, and then the tweezer. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to apply them. This is literally probably my second time applying lashes like this. So yeah, I was really excited when I got this in the mail. I was ready to put them on. So I'm gonna be using two of the number 16s, one 14, one 12, and one number 10. I have something in my eye and it's like bothering me. It's a little eye booger. You know those stretchy ones? I always get those when I'm starting to do my makeup. I hate it. So I'm gonna be applying the bond. And you don't want to apply it all over your lash. Just like on the very, like where your lash starts, you know? Like right here. On the root of your lashes. Just right there. Well, that's how I like to apply them. And then I'm gonna take the number 16. I also like to apply a little bit of the bond here on the lash. Now we apply it. Make sure it don't touch the skin. Just like that. I just don't like this one. It's a little hard since I haven't applied them in a really long time. This is literally, I feel like it's my first time applying them. But no, this is the second time I apply lashes. But this one, it feels crusty. Like hard. So I don't know if I did it wrong. That's why I'm trying to do it different here. And I'm probably gonna redo these. So I'm gonna get another number 16. Apply a little bit of the bond. And then I'm gonna apply it on the lash. Okay. And then what I do also is I try to apply it like on top of the first one, you know, so they can look nice and full. There won't be no gap because over here I didn't apply it that close, so there's like a little gap there and I don't like it, which that's why I also want to redo them. And now I'm gonna be taking number 14. Okay, now I'm gonna get number 12. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply the seal, which you just apply it where you put the glue. I don't know if you apply it like on top or down here, you know what I mean? Alright ladies, so these are the lashes. They're so freaking pretty. I love them. They were easy to apply. They were $22. I wonder how long they're gonna last. So if you want to know, comment down below and I will let you girls know. But I want to remove this, so I'm gonna be using the remover lash cluster. It's like weird. Oh, it feels oily. Oh, it's coming off. It came off. Oh, yeah, they're coming off easily. Wow. Wow. Oh, okay, not this one. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm just gonna go wash this off and redo this eye because I don't like how it came out. Wow, it removes it really good. So yeah ladies, let me go do this one real quick and I'll be right back. Alright ladies, well these are the lashes. I already fixed these. They feel so much better. They were also hurting me a little bit, like they feel uncomfortable on my eyes because I placed them wrong. So make sure you place them like where your lash begins, you know, like in the root of your lashes, not too close to your skin because they will bother you. So but yeah, these lashes were so easy to apply. It did took me a little longer since I'm not used to putting these kinds of lashes on. It took me probably like 10 minutes or so. But yeah, right now they feel way more comfortable. The remover, the lash remover is really good. You guys saw it. They were so easy to take off. I really like the remover. But yeah, I definitely recommend these lashes. I'll put them somewhere in the description box. That way you guys can go just click on it and it will take you there. But yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. I hope I explained myself good and you guys can see how easy it is to apply the lashes. And please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.